In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the table on 8 ball pool game. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the game. Of course, if you have it on your phone. If you don't, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you did that, just go and open your game. And of course, if you wish to play 8 ball pool on your PC, I already made a tutorial about this on this channel, so make sure to go and check it out. So, of course, when you open your game, you will find three options for you. You'll find login to your account. If you have an account, just go log in into it. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can create one. So just go and create your account, or you can just go and or play. You can go and play as a guest. Of course, you don't then require to log in or create your accounts, but your progress will not be saved if you change your phone. So, of course, when you click at any of those options, that will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. So, of course, as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, I would like to change my table of pool, like you used to play on just one table and you would like to change it. So of course there's two options to change the table, or sorry, there's just one option to change the table. So what is that option? Simply you will need to go and click at play one on one or one on one. So here, as you can see, this part or this game has his own table. Of course, if you finished that 15 what is this, cups, you will be able to go to this one. This has its own table and etc. Of course, when you unlock a new one and you can start playing this, every one of them has its new table. So that's how you can actually change and play on another table. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.